All of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make soya chunk yakhni. Yakhni is an important dish in Kashmiri cuisine and mostly made with mutton. It tastes equally delicious with veg varieties also. In Kashmiri cuisine, yakhni is a yogurt base of any kind of veg or non-veg variety. In this video I'm going to show you how we will make two types of yakhnis. Yakhni with a twist, where I'll be adding chilies. It tastes amazing. So let's get started. For making this yakhni, I have taken 4 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, oil around 4 tablespoons, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This is optional, that we'll be going to use with a portion of yakhni. Salt, I have taken 1.5 teaspoon, you can adjust according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of dried crushed mint, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and I have taken 2 cups of soya chunks. Here you can see. And curd, I have taken around 750 grams. We have to whisk the curd before using it. We have to whisk it properly. So here you can see. Now in a pan I have taken around 4 glasses of water, and then once it starts to boil, I'll be adding soya chunks. The soya chunks I have taken, they are a little salty, so if they are not salty, you can add little salt to the water. So we have to keep them on high heat for 5 to 7 minutes till they are soft. Here you can see. Then we will wash them under running water and squeeze the water once they are cool. So now I have taken them out. I have washed them under running water, and I'll wait for the water to squeeze out. Now in a pan I have heated up the oil. Once the oil is hot, we will be adding the whole spices: cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom, cumin seeds, cloves. Saute them properly. Here the heat I have kept is between medium to high. Once they are sauteed properly, we will be adding squeezed soya chunks. Give it a stir and keep frying till the soya chunks change its color. It will take a few minutes. Here heat again, it's between medium to high. So I'll keep stirring in between. Now here you can see the soya chunks have started to change the color. We'll fry them properly. They will taste really good. Keep stirring it between so that they won't get stuck to the bottom of the pan, so they won't burn. Now here you can see almost they are fried properly. So here I'll keep flame high and I'll be adding curd directly to it. I have whisked it, and here we have to keep stirring. We have to keep it stirring on high flame. This is an easy way of making yakhni. Like, we don't have to make a curd mixture separately. We can simply add it to it and keep it on high flame and keep stirring till it gets its first boil. So I'll keep stirring it till it gets its first boil. The important step in making Kashmiri yakhni is that it should not curdle, the curd should not curdle. So for that we have to keep it stirring on high flame. So here you can see. Now here you can see it has started to boil, so we can take a sigh of relief. We are safe. Now we'll be adding other spices. So I'll be adding dried mint, fennel seed powder, coriander powder, ginger powder, mix, and I'll be adding salt also here. So you can adjust salt according to your taste. And I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder to this. Mix, and then I'll be adding a mutton stock. If you don't have mutton stock, you can simply add water. I had mutton stock, so I'm adding that to it. It will give it a good taste. So once it starts to boil again, I'll be taking out portion of this in another pan where I'll be adding chilies. So you can do it either way. You can simply make this kind of soya chunk yakhni, or you can make it with chilies. It tastes really good if you add chili. It gives a good twist. So I'll be taking out a portion of this in another pan. Now I'll cover it and let it cook on low flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, with the other yakhni, so here you can see, so I'll keep it on low flame and I'll be adding chilies. I'm adding chili powder and remaining turmeric powder. So this is an optional, but it really makes a different tasting yakhni with a twist. Now we'll cover it and let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes on low flame so that the taste gets enhanced properly. So here, after 10 to 15 minutes on low flame, here you can see our yakhni with chilies is ready. Here you can check gravy consistency and salt also. Meanwhile, the other yakhni is also ready. So here you can see. So we will dish them out. So here you can see both the yakhnis are ready. They really taste good. In Kashmir, usually yakhni means the mild curry without any chilies, but using chilies in this really tastes good. So you can try it out. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.